Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can actually use Microsoft Designer to create some creative designs that can actually attract the world. Actually, you can create all of this type of attractive and creative design only by the power of this AI. So Microsoft Designer actually AI that can help you to create some images with your text, with your prompt. So you have to create a perfect prompt to get a perfect design. So as perfect as the prompt is, the output is that much, will be that much perfect. So here is we are on the Microsoft Designer. So here is some create with AI. So here you can find some in graphics. You can create avatars, backgrounds, clip art, emojis, icons, images, monograms, stickers, wallpapers, and in designs you can actually create banners, colleges, coloring book pages, framed images, greeting cards, invitation, and posters. There's so many things from here. So you can simply click on create, and you don't forget to log into your account. So it has just automatically logged me in just because of I have a Microsoft account on my PC, so that's why it's just logged me in. So from here you can find your settings, account info and settings, where you can just set up your profile or make some settings from here. So it will log you in, and then it will let you allow to set up your Microsoft account. So here you can find the Microsoft account settings. Now you can simply click on create button here to create a new project, and you can find your my projects here. You can find all of the projects that you have created on your Microsoft Designer. So you will get only 5 GB storage here to save your projects, worth of 5 GB, 5 gigabyte storage. So from here, let me introduce you that dashboard here. So the interface here. So first one is create with AI. So you can simply click on create with AI. So you can create with AI like images, icons, wallpapers, invitations, banners, posters, social media posts, and greetings, and many more from here. Like all of many options are available that you can use. So I'm going to create an image here. So you can click on create image. Now you can find different types of image. Now you can describe your image with a perfect prompt, and here is the size that you can select. So you can go with this size, square size, portrait size, and wide size. So I'm going to use the portrait size here. So I'm going to describe something like, so I have just added a prompt here. So you can enhance the prompt by tap on this instant enhance prompt, and it will actually better make your prompt more better by the power of AI. Yes, it will in prompt making. AI also can help you, so that's pretty cool, I think. So you can also reset it or you can share it. So I'm going to create it. Simply click on create, and here you can see the image is has been started creating a new image here. So it will give you 4 preview that you can choose from. So you have to wait until it done. So we are going to move around here until it generate the image here. So here is edit with AI. So you can edit any image with AI. So for example, any image if you want. So you can remove background. You can simply click on remove background here. So you can edit it. Now, but first you have to add an image. So I'm going to add an image here. So my media, some free now upload from this device. So you are allowed to add your image here. So I'm going to add image. So let's see how it's going to add it. So here is my generated image. That's mean it has just generated the image here. So yeah, that's pretty much cool, I think. Yes, don't you think this is pretty much cool here? And the chest is look like this ones look like the Tony Stark's. This also actually, but and I this reminds me the Ultron here. Yes. Now we can download any image from here if you want. So like this, you can simply click on this download button here, and it will allow you to download that image. Here is the image that you have downloaded. Now it's pretty cool, and there it is free to use. That the most important thing is actually it is free to use. So we are going to remove the background. So we are going to set it to the total, and like this. Here it is. So we are going to remove it, or we can blur it. Also already it is blurred, so we can remove the background. We can simply click on it, and let's see how it removed the background. So it is all working on it. So let's move to another one. So let it be work. So from here till then we can actually talk about the thing like you can make the background blur, you can change the color of background, object transformation, you can remove the object, you can move the object from one place to another place, you can select object to cut out, and you can create stickers of an object, and you can also crop an object with a premium and advanced object cropper software. Now here is the enhancement that actually help you to give a focus on your object if there's any focus on that image. And here is color POP, so you can actually select and change a specific color on your image. So here is the text where you can add some text here, you can upload your medias, here is the visuals that you can add some, and here is you can create your own, and here's the markup, you can use some pen icon here just like this, you can add it, or you can different types of pens and colorization tools that you can colorize your images from here. Now here is the design with scratch, so you can design your post anything with from the scratch from the very beginning. So here is some category size like productivity, you can get a size for word header, team header, flyer actually, and also you can get Instagram square post, Instagram story, you can make Facebook story. So I'm going to go with the flyer here, so we are going to create a flyer here. So here is all thing that I have just explained to you. So here's the illustrations that you can actually add it, there's different types of illustration, and you can search for more from here, and that's pretty much all thing about this edit section. So here is the layer actually, so you can find all of the layer that you have added. So I'm going to add a photo, so you have to go to my media and you can upload a photo from here. So this I have just generated here, so let's see if it can remove the background of that photo. So here is the text, here you can find different types of text template that actually looks pretty much cool. So and you can also generate anything. So here is your credit. Now let me show you, here is the undo button and redo button, here is the zoom in and zoom out section here. So and here is the download button, you can copy that image here as image, so you can find the credit. So I have only 14 AI credits left this month here, so you have to get that premium version actually. So here you can see it has just removed the background, pretty cool, and it's looking very much cool here. So for example, like this. So we are going to add something like we can add a background here, so we can image visibility, we can select the transparency like this, and we can select the position here like bring in front or bring in forward, we can select the position among those layers, and here we can add some visuals if we want. So for example, we want graphics here, different types of graphics, or photos here. So for example, photos here, so we want to add a photo for our flyer. So for example, show all. Now let's see how it look like. So nature, we're going to select nature. So let's see how we get nature here. So let's see if it's working or not. Sorry for that. We have just changed with replaced with that, but we can just simply click on it, and let's see if it's working. And yes, I am just putting that robot in a natural place. So this is actually a blurry surface, and it is actually blocking our character. So we are going to get the position here, so bring forward or front or send back. Here if we click on it, then it will send back to the robot. So here you can see the robot is now on the regular position. So we also can add something like flowers, we can add flower PNG. So here it is, we can add a flower PNG here, and it's looking like that. So we are going to erase the background from here, like remove background. So let's see how it can remove the background. Here you can see I have just added it flower here, so we can just add this here. So we are going to send it back. So send it back, not back actually. backward, we are going to send it front, just like this. So we are going to place it. So we are going to we can actually edit a creative design by using this Microsoft Designer, and it's pretty much cool. You can download it, and here is some format that you can download it from PNG or in JPG format or PDF format. So I'm going to download it in JPG format. Now you can simply click on download, and it will download your photo, so you can access it offline from your file manager. So here you can see it is downloaded and with a maximum quality. Here you can see the quality. So that's all for today's. I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.